What is up, guys? This is 24-foot Yamaha 242, and I've been grinding a bit down here, and most of it's pretty good as far as what I thought was broken. Got a good run down all the way to the center. Then here, it's actually crushed right through. It's separated pretty good. And this is the most forward section of the repair, basically. And this is going to continue. So I'm surprised it didn't take on any water. All this is still wet underneath. So I'm going to see if I have any access to the top. I'd be much more comfortable if I could catch it from the top, from the inside. So, but it looks like there's some foam up there. I don't know. I can't actually touch anything. There might be a little bit of foam. At least that's what I think I see now. Is that a light? What is that a light? Alright. That looks like the bottom of the deck, I think. So, get both the light and the camera. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's okay. I see what's going on here. Now I can see in here. So there must be a minor deck between this outside hole and the inside. Probably the floor. And so it doesn't look like there's much access there. Maybe I could check something. Let's see, I don't see any hatches.